Infiniti Q60 service and repairs. Infiniti is the luxury vehicle division of Japanese automaker Nissan. Infiniti officially started selling vehicles on November 8, 1989. In North America, the marketing network for Infiniti-branded vehicles included dealers in over 50 countries in the 2010s. As of 2020, there were 25 markets served by new car dealers. The 2018 Infiniti Q60 is a luxury coupe that offers a combination of style, performance, and premium features. It's known for its sleek design and spirited driving dynamics. Here's an overview of the 2018 Infiniti Q60. Servicing your Infiniti Q60 involves regular maintenance to ensure the vehicle's performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some general guidelines for Infiniti Q60 service. Keep in mind that the specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specifications. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Infiniti typically recommends oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. But check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your Q60. Tire rotation. Rotating tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Infiniti recommends tire rotation approximately every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are essential for safety. Check the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid during routine maintenance. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as engine coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. The engine air filter should be inspected regularly and replaced as needed to maintain optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery if it is older or showing signs of weakness. Alignment check. If you notice uneven tire wear or the vehicle pulling to one side, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Spark plug replacement. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval for spark plug replacement. Worn spark plugs can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. Cooling system maintenance. Ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system by checking coolant levels and performing a cooling system flush if recommended by the manufacturer. Transmission service. Depending on your Q60's model year and transmission type, there may be a recommended interval for transmission fluid changes or flushes. For more accurate and model-specific information, it's recommended to consult your Infiniti Q60 owner's manual or contact your local Infiniti dealership. They can provide you with the specific maintenance schedule and address any model-specific service requirements.